To view this video, please enable JavaScript and consider upgrading to a web browser that supports HTML5 video. They look like sweets but are poisonous enough to put you in hospital. Now YouTube has launched a clampdown on a dangerous new trend in which teens filmed themselves eating laundry tablets. A537 from Macclesfield to Buxton is officially most dangerous road in UK. The so-called Tide Pod challenge began as a joke but has now become serious enough for safety watchdogs to urge people not to consume the colourful pods. In a statement, YouTube said, YouTube's community guidelines prohibit content that's intended to encourage dangerous activities that have an inherent risk of physical harm. We work to quickly remove flagged videos that violate our policies. A post on The Onion with the headline "So help me God, I'm going to eat one of those multicolored detergent pods in 2015" appears to have preempted the craze. To view this video, please enable JavaScript and consider upgrading to a web browser that supports HTML5 video. It then surged in popularity following the publication of a video called "Don't Eat the Laundry Pods" on the website College Humor. Since then, kids have filmed themselves eating the pods and some have even tried to vape them. Videos show the misguided daredevils trying to devour the laundry soap, before gagging in disgust at their strong chemical taste. It goes without saying that doing either of these things is a very bad idea. The pods contain dangerous chemicals which can cause nasty burns to the mouth and esophagus as well as permanent breathing difficulties if the substances end up in victims' lungs. In the US, 8 people died after eating them between 2012 and 2017, with the pods killing 2 children and 6 adults who were suffering from dementia. There have been 39 reports of teenagers misusing pods in 2018 so far, according to the American Association of Poison Control Centers. This is the same amount of reports received in 2016 and only a little less than the 53 cases in 2017. A spokesperson for Procter Gamble, the company which makes Tide Pods, told Time, "We are deeply concerned about conversations related to the intentional and improper use of liquid laundry packs, and have been working with leading social media networks to remove harmful content that is not consistent with the policies. Laundry packs are made to clean clothes. They should not be played with, whatever the circumstance, even if meant as a joke. Like all household cleaning products, they must be used properly and stored safely." More, Bitcoin parodied Dogecoin, worth more than £862 million after being invented to mock cryptocurrency.